Hello, this is Eric from Center for Advanced Legal Studies, and this is a short video on how to access Canvas, our learning management system. You'll use Canvas to access your online classes and also to attend live online orientation as part of your enrollment. So I'm here at our website, paralegal.edu, and one way to get to Canvas is click the link right here in the menu. That'll take us to our Canvas address. For our URL, it's paralegal.instructure.com, and you always want to make sure that you're logging into the correct location. If you were to go to Google and Google Canvas login, you could end up at the login page of many different schools or even the main page for Canvas, the company. You want to make sure that you're logging into paralegal.instructure.com. That's always very important. Your login name will be your paralegal.edu email address that's been assigned. You should have received an email from me. It's normally firstname.lastname@paralegal.edu, and you'll be given a temporary password. I'm going to use my sample student account, Steve Sample, and so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And the first thing you'll see is the dashboard. Typically the dashboard will display the courses that you're enrolled in. We have Interview and Investigation, Introduction to Law and Ethics, and the Online Readiness course. If for some reason you don't see the course you're looking for, in particular the Online Readiness course, you can click Courses and then All Courses, and it'll give you a list of all the courses that you're enrolled in. Some of these are past enrollments and some haven't been starred. When you click the star, it will include it on your dashboard. So I've just got these three that I want on my dashboard right now. Those are the current classes. So I go back to my dashboard. To access orientation, I'll go to the Online Readiness course, click the link, and that takes us to the home page of the Online Readiness course. So of course you probably want to read the content that's available, but for orientation, as it indicates right here, we're going to go to the Blackboard Collaborate link. It'll show the orientation that's scheduled for 7 p.m. Central. Click that link and join. So for most people, if you have had a consultation with one of our admissions representatives, you've probably already used Blackboard Collaborate. And if so, you've installed the Blackboard Collaborate Launcher. The Blackboard Collaborate Launcher is a small program that contains a stable version of Java, and it allows the session to launch. If for some reason you haven't done that, or if you're not coming up with this particular Collaborate screen, you'll be prompted to download the Blackboard Collaborate Launcher right here. So it gives you the option to download it. If it detects that it's already on your computer, it'll go ahead and try to launch the session. But if you have not downloaded the Blackboard Collaborate Launcher, once you try to join a session, it will give you the option. There's also some troubleshooting that can help as well. Usually once you have installed the launcher correctly, and have been able to join one session, all other sessions become very straightforward after that. Once you've joined the Blackboard Collaborate session, it's always best to run the audio setup wizard. There's a little microphone with a red gear or sprocket, and it'll take you right through where you can choose whether you're using a headset or just your computer audio. And it'll go right through. It takes just a few seconds. So it's always advisable to run the audio setup wizard first. Also, once you have completed that, it's also best to leave your talk and video buttons off until you are actually engaged in a conversation. There is a limit to the number of participants that can have their talk button on and their video on, and also unless you're engaged in a conversation, you really don't want your talk button on, because that will open your microphone and everyone will be able to hear everything that's going on in your environment. So it's best to keep the talk and video off until you are engaged in a conversation asking questions, things like that. So looking forward to meeting everyone in orientation tonight. Again, it starts at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you have any problems getting into orientation, we'll do our best to provide technical support. However, we do record the session, so it will be recorded in case you have issues or you're not able to attend. Looking forward to seeing you tonight.